Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Sheets more interactive and visually appealing, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of adding clickable links to images inside Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to combine images and hyperlinks together, so when someone clicks your image, they'll be taken straight to the website you choose. This is perfect for dashboards, reports, or even just making your spreadsheets more user-friendly for a team. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is gather the two things you need for each linked image, the image URL and the destination website URL. For example, let's say I want to use a YouTube logo as an image. I'll need the direct image link for the YouTube logo. This has to be the actual link ending in something like PNG or JPG, not just the Google Images search page. Then for the website, I'll need the actual URL I want people to land on. Maybe that's YouTube.com or a specific channel or video. It's a good idea to have these two URLs ready in your sheet or a Google Doc just to keep things organized and avoid hunting around as you go. For today, I've got two examples, a YouTube image and a Google image, one for each company, just to make things simple. Now let's move over to our actual Google Sheet. Click into the cell where you want your linked image to appear. In this tutorial, I'm going to use cell D2, but you can pick whichever cell works for your layout. Here comes the most important part, the formula that makes the image clickable. We're going to use a combination of two Google Sheets functions, hyperlink and image. These two work together beautifully. Think of hyperlink as the container that lets you click through to a website, and image as the visual part that puts your picture right in the cell. Here, how to type the formula. In your selected cell, type =sign to start a formula, then the word hyperlink in all caps followed by an open parenthesis. First, inside the parentheses, you need to paste your destination URL, the website you want the image to link to. Make sure it's wrapped in quotation marks. Next, you'll type a comma, and then here's the trick. You're going to type image, another set of parentheses, and inside those, you'll paste your image URL, also inside quotation marks. For example, it'll look something like this. =hyperlink https://youtube.com image https://linked YouTube logo png. Don't worry if that looks a little complicated at first. Just take your time double-checking the quotation marks and parentheses, making sure they're all in the right spots. Hit enter to finish the formula, and after a moment you should see your image appear right there in the cell. If you hover your mouse over it, you'll notice you can click and it will take you to the website you plugged in. If your image doesn't show up, double-check that your image URL ends in PNG, JPG, or similar, and that both links are working when you paste them into a browser. Now here's a bonus time-saving tip. If you have multiple images and links, you don't have to type out the formula for every single cell. Instead, once you have your formula in D2, you can click that cell, look for the little blue square in the bottom right corner, and drag it down as far as you need. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the corresponding row numbers if you've set up your URLs in adjacent columns. This is super helpful if you want to make a whole column of clickable icons for different resources. And that's all there is to it. You've just made your spreadsheet both smarter and much more user-friendly with clickable images. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please hit the like button and feel free to drop any questions or tips you have in the comments below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.